Hi guys, today we will make a C++ program on finding eigenvalue and eigenvector of a two-dimensional matrix. Let us see our C++ program. Here the first line is hash include iostream, that is hash is a predefined derivative defining I input output stream. Hash include CMath is a header file for calling standard mathematical functions in our program using namespace std. It will bring all the derivatives defined in standard to the current global scope, and then our main function int main, and then we define the variables I and j having data type integer, and then variable det for determinant trace eigenvalue 1 and eigenvalue 2 having data type float, and then we define a array of two-dimensional having data type float a. These brackets gives that our array is of two dimension, that is having two rows and two columns. Now C out, that is output operator with the insertion operator telling the user to enter elements of 2 cross 2 matrix, and then we have two for loops. We call this is nested for loops, that is loop inside a loop. You can see there is a loop and again inside a loop there is a loop. This is called nested for loop. Here we apply a condition I is equal to 0, I less than 2 and I plus plus, and again inside this condition we apply the same condition for j equal to 0, j less than 2 and j plus plus, and then we use switch statement. Switch I, case 0 gives us this output and case 2 will give this output. In order to understand this, let us take initially I is equal to 0 and then j is equal to 0. When I is equal to 0 we have case 1, I equal to 0, C out a, j is equal to 0. Thus in the output we will get a1. Again we will use break statement here, so the this will come out of switch loop, and then again it will I remains equal to 0 and j is equal to 1. When j is equal to 1, uh, case remains same, case 0 we will get a, and from here j is equal to 1 we get a2, and then when this happens we will come out of this loop. After coming out of this loop we will get input values for first for I0s and J0 case we will get A00, and then we get A01 value from the user, and then when we come out of this for loop we will get for I is equal to 1. When I is equal to 1, again j is equal to 0. When I is equal to 1 we have case 1 and output is b, and initially j is equal to 0, so we get b1, and from we will then we use break statement. After coming out of this loop we will get c in, that is a01, and again I remains equal to 1 and j changes from 0 to 1, that is k I we again use case 1 and then b comes, and j is equal to 2, so we get b2. You will better understand this when I will run the program. You can understand it better. You can see here when I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 0, c out we will get c out a1, and then using input operator we get a00, and then for I 0 J1 we get C out A2 and C in A01. 10 we will get B1, that is A10. 11 we will get B2, A11. Thus we get whole 2 cross 2 matrix A0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. For finding eigenvalue we use characteristic equation A minus alpha I is equal to 0, where I is identity operator, that is 1, 0, 0, 1. We will equate this equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. We will have to solve this. After solving this equation we will get alpha square minus alpha trace of a plus determinant of a is equal to 0. Trace, where trace is sum of diagonal elements of the A matrix. DETA is determinant of A. After solving this equation we will get eigen value 1 and eigen value 2. For solving this equation we will use simple quadratic equation solution. You can also see my video on solving a quadratic equation in the I button. Here we use quadratic equation solution. Eigenvalue 1 is equal to minus trace plus b square root trace square minus 4 trace upon 2a. This formula we will generally know this formula as minus b plus square root b square minus 4ac. This is the same formula we always use in finding in the root of a quadratic equation. Similarly, for eigenvalue 2, we will use minus sign here. Thus, we will get eigenvalue 1 and eigenvalue 2. Now, we will have to find eigenvectors. For eigenvectors, let us see some formula. In the program, we will use a00 minus eigenvalue 1, that is, we will subtract from this element first eigenvalue, and then another elements of eigenvector is minus of a01. For finding second eigenvector we will subtract second eigen value from a00 again. Thus we will get eigenvector 1 and eigenvector 2. Here you can see slash n and slash t are used. Slash n is for new line and slash t is for tab. And these, and here we will put the value of y and then again new line and then tab and then the value of x calculated here. Similarly for eigenvector 2, and then terminate the program using turn 0. Now I will compile and run the program. Matrix, let us suppose our A1 is 0, A2 is 3, B1 is 1 and B2 is 2. Thus our first eigenvalue is 3, second eigenvalue is minus 1, first eigenvector is minus 3 minus 3, or we can see that 1 1, or our second eigenvector is minus 3 and 1. Thanks for watching.